how many of you have actually, can we have Manali's hand put down? It must be paining now. Okay. Yeah, how many of you have actually been there in Canva, done some experiments, enjoyed being there? Any of you?
Cannot.
So far, no,
Okay.
Anita.
So far, no, not a problem at all. Let's enjoy being in Canva. Now, this is the homepage of Canva for all of you who are going there the first time, who found it very intimidating. Okay, it's a beautiful, beautiful software. It's free of cost to a great extent. Later, as you start using it extensively, you understand why you need to pay. But as of now, and then we can probably share it with between the clubs. That's at a later stage. Okay, as of now, if you look into this, it has templates for everything. Okay, I mean, it's extensive. If you look into the templates, you can see it talks about Instagram stories, the small, circles that come in your Instagram post. It is a square. Instagram post is a square, unlike flyers which can be rectangle. Instagram posts dimensions have to be square. Facebook post, Facebook covers, your Pioneer Speech Weavers Facebook page, you have a cover on the this thing. If you want to design that, you need to you don't know the dimensions. Okay, so you need to come back here. Then you have YouTube channel art. If you have a YouTube channel, there's a beautiful, thing that talks about that can be also designed here. LinkedIn banners, everywhere, everything is a different size. So instead of knowing and mugging up the size, you just come here and say, I just want to create a YouTube channel art or a Facebook post. So now we want to create a Facebook post. Okay, so I go and say Facebook post in my templates. Now it shows me all this. Okay, now you might just go scroll down and say, I like something over here, right? Let's say today's speech was about goals. I'm going to choose one particular thing. Okay, even before I get in there, I have some questions for all of you. Please unmute yourself and let me know. Now, my questions are simple. What do you think should be part of a flyer? Please,
Colors and logos of
You need
Toastmasters.
the logo, you need the time of the meeting, you need the name of the club, you need
Colors.
the meeting ID, and all the colors should be compliant if it is with Toastmasters. All the colors should be compliant with the rules.
right. Absolutely.
Tagline,
Okay.
taglines.
Taglines. Okay.
Yes, taglines. Yes, yes, yes.
Okay. Fine. How much of content can you put on a flyer? Like what all you can put? You talked about the basics. Okay. You talked about the logo, the header, the masthead, or whatever you have. Then you talked about the meeting details. Very important. Then you talked about tagline. Okay. Now, what else? What else? If you're talking about the theme, what?
Theme.
How exact? Yeah. What do you
Pictures we
think?
have to put. According to the theme, we put images or pictures.
Okay. How many pictures?
Photos of the role players.
Photos of the role player. Oh, that's very ambitious.
And
Okay.
TMOD pictures itself, the photo of the TMOD also, and the theme image also we put.
Theme image, right? Theme image and main TMOD's picture.
Yes, yes.
TMR picture. Okay. So what we will do is we will start with a basic flyer. So I just have a empty canvas over here, as you can see. Now, if you don't want to start with an empty canvas, you can always start with the free templates that you have. Okay. Now this is my free template. What I'm going to do is I'm going to just delete all the other parts. Okay. I'm just going to keep, okay. I'm just going to keep these two dimensions, these two particular shapes over here. Now what I can do is I can actually, yeah, I can actually click on the color. It's very user friendly. Just click on the color. You can see the color over here. Okay. You don't want this color because it's not Toastmaster color. Now, what is Toastmaster color? You might be wondering. So, instead of doing that, what you can do is go to your uploads. Okay. In your uploads, okay, you can have your Toastmaster, you can upload your media from your device, which is your Toastmasters logo. Okay. So I'm going to take Toastmasters logo and upload it another time over here. These are my two logos. Okay. Once I upload it, it comes into my images. You can see here. Okay. Once I call it in here, what happens is these colors become a part of the color that the palette that you're using for this flyer. So now I'm going to click on this, go into this. Can you see this? It's got the palette here. Okay, so I know the shades of Toastmaster brand now. Now, again, I can go back to my uploads, bring this guy also here. Okay, so now I have both the maroon and the blues. Okay, I'll go into this, go back here. I have my maroon shades also, which are branded by the Toastmasters thing. There's another logo which is multicolor. If you bring in that as well, you have those colors also, the yellow and all, right? Now, what are the brand colors? Just to be a little more on a broader aspect, don't get into the nitty-gritties of hexadecimal, but just tell me what are the brand colors that you know can be used in Toastmasters. Quick.
Blue, dark blue, gray, maroon, and white, and and a shade of yellow, golden shade of yellow.
Off-white also. Different
Off-white
shades of
also.
yellow. I mean, yeah, a particular shade of yellow, maroons, shades of navy
Maroons, navy
and
blue,
white, black.
grays also.
Yeah, grays, of course. Yeah. So we have all this now here. Okay. So now I want to change this into Toastmasters blue. Okay. So I have the Toastmasters blue here. Now, if I want to change this, now again, after you change this, you have to check if your transparency is complete. Okay. Okay. It doesn't show much here. Let me see. Now I come back to this color. It's a different fluorescent color. I'm going to make it
Yellow.
a shade of yellow.
Yeah.
Fine. So now you can draw the contrast. I'll just remove this. It's still there. Now you have a nice color combination that's happening here. Now you need the header, right? For the header, what we do is a very simple exercise is go to elements. Okay. In the elements, you have lines, shapes. Okay, just go in there. Pick up a basic header that you want to create. Pick up a rectangle. Okay, and then put it wherever you want. Give it a particular size, extend it. This becomes your masthead. Now this can be a different shade of blue. Okay, just for that. And now I'm going to have my text coming in. Now again, text in Canva, there is you can use certain text. Now let's say I'm adding a heading here. Now this is talking about Open Sans. We have certain text which can be used in here. I'll take in the Arial. Yeah. Okay, I'm just experimenting with one. You all can see which is the closest to the brand guidelines. And then there is a move thing. I just move it here. Okay, I don't like this font color. I change it even before it's too late. Don't add too many colors. Go with the shades of the two colors that you have used in here. So I'm just using this. Now here I'm going to double click and I am going to type the name of the Toastmasters Club. Come out and click anywhere in this gray area. That's your workspace. Go back here. Don't double click. Okay. I'm going to change the size of this to, let's say, about 40. Okay. And change the alignment so that this fits in the entire place. This is the basic thing. Okay. You've done this. You can keep it in the center or on the top. Once you've done this, I'm going to add a little bit of text. What's the text? You're going to add your club number. What is that? 6555885. Give a space, add a pipe, give a space, add your area 64 and division P. Okay. Now this needs to be underneath this. The color is not visible again. So I want to give it a different color or a different shade. So just check what you can, how you can work out. I would probably choose the maroon. So just go back to your uploads, get this guy here, and go back to this colors. You have your shade here. Okay, you can delete this. This one can be made broad. So you have these two things coming in here. Now I like this text size. This is the correct size. So I'm going to just copy and paste it. Control C, Control V. And this I'm going to make it white because I want it to be or this color. This is your meeting details. Okay. Meeting ID and your passcode. Okay. Now have this aligned to your left. See, there are all the three alignments are there, 4 alignments, including justified. Now, once you've done that, just put it where it is visible. I would always say have this very visible. Okay. And then you extend it, add whatever details you have to add. Now, this part of it is always the same thing, right? So have this over here. What else is there that is needed? Timing. Okay. Next very important thing is timing. Very, very important. People do look for this. Again, have your own bright part. Okay. You will say, what is it? This thing Saturday. And sorry, not here. Whatever timing today was 17th July 2021, space and pipe. And then here comes your 4 p.m. Today you had it at 6 p.m., right? 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. GST or UAE time, whatever you call it. Okay, now it's going a little too haywire. Make this as central. Okay. After you make it central, you have all your, remove this thing. Now, if you think that the space between these two lines is too much, you can change it here. The line spacing can be made a little less. Okay. Also, you can decrease the thing and then send it inside. Now you've done the basic needs. What is left now? A quick one. What else is left?
The theme of the meeting,
And what else?
whatever pictures you want to add related to the theme or to the meeting, anything special education session or the
Right.
GE or whatever.
Right. So now if I want, I can just make this a little smaller, decrease the size of it if to just get me more space. Okay, now I have this entire area. And today's, let's say the meeting is about, give me a good feature. Let's say happiness. Okay. If you go and, put things over here, you know that Toastmasters doesn't appreciate any emoticons or things like that. It only talks about putting in pictures which are more related to happiness picture. So what I'm going to do here is I'm not going to find a picture which is Toastmaster related, but yes, I'm going to just take something which we can use. Like let's say this, okay. And now you can see the cross over here because it's something which you have to buy. You have this in here. Now, I don't want this in here. I want a square. I don't want a rectangle. But that picture is a rectangle. Now, what do? So I just go into elements once again. Okay. And I type, instead of lines and frames, I type frames. Now, these are my frames. Okay. You can choose whichever frame you want. Suppose I want a frame which is like, something like this, let's say. Okay. And I just put it to a side. I go back to my photos and I draw what I want into this. Okay, so it takes the shape of your frame. So I don't have to do any cutting, chopping and all that. Now I'm done with the theme part of it. Part of it is done. Now, once you're done with this, okay. Once you're done with this, you have to put in the TMOD. Okay, so I go back to the elements again. Now I want the TMOD in, let's say, a different shape. Okay, not this frame, maybe a square frame. Okay, just make it small and see where you can place the TMOD. Right now, let's say the TMOD is Do I have Raji's picture here? I have all the pictures, whoever it is. Okay, let's say it's Biju. Okay. Now I'm going to put Biju's picture in here. Okay. And now I get back to my text. I'm not going to go and again, work on text. So what I will do is I will use the same text font. Now that's up to you all what you're going to use over here. Change the color of this. Okay. And change the text. TMOD Biju. Okay. After you put in there, just move it this person as you want. Okay. Don't put the text on top of the head. I'm not talking about aesthetics here today. I'm just talking about going to take you all through what is the vital thing. Then you want happiness. Okay. So this will be this is going to be where you're going to make the change for the theme. So let's say the theme is happiness. Don't leave it with such a small thing. Okay. We're going to make this huge. Now, if you want to make it huge, make it, let's say, 60. It's still small. You can make it 80. Okay, you have happiness here. Okay. Now, I feel that it's getting a little too cluttered over here. I'm going to bring it down. Okay, now I am going to move this here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to select and copy the same thing. The one which is in the bottom, I will give it a gray shade. And one which is on the top, I move it in here. Okay, just to give it a 3D effect. Done. So this is my basic thing. Okay. And whatever tagline you want, the small little tagline that you want, go back to text and say add a little bit and bring this guy here. Okay. Let's say this guy is, I don't like this. I'm just going to use a subheading because I want.
Anita, we need to fit in the contact details as well in this.
Right. Okay. Perfect. Okay. I'm just going to make this as small as possible. Your way to life or whatever, and give it a different color over there and move it here. And suppose you want to give a different emphasis on this, one small thing that you can do is bring in, forget the frames, bring in your rectangle once again, or whatever square, and give it a different color. Okay. Move this rectangle beneath this. Done. So just leave it like that. Now you're talking about the VPPR, the VPM part, right?
Yeah.
So I'm just going to use that over here. And okay, this can be a plain white thing which runs from here to wherever you want. And here, this can be, okay, VPM, whatever. You put in RSVP or VPN, whatever details. And fix it accordingly. Just move it back to whatever size you want. Is it clear? So you have all the basic needs over here, if you look into it, right? Now, once this is done, the next most important thing for you all to do would be, suppose you want to share this. You can share this for editing. Like, you can share it for a photograph or anything. Now you can see I'm the owner, but I can share the link for viewing to use as a template. When I made the Club XCOM, a lot of people asked me for the template because they just wanted to put their XCOM photographs, okay, and change the names. So you can ask them to use it as a template that time and share it. Now I'm going to share this link to edit. I just copy the link. I go to my WhatsApp and I tell Shiva, you can anytime come in, and where's Shiva's number here? You can anytime come in and change the yeah, I'll just give him this link. So what happens is, see, he can always click on this, come to this place, Where's the page? Yeah, come to this page and link and create whatever differences he wants to. Maybe the time has changed. Maybe he has to add this area. So I just give him the edit form, edit part. So VBPR can do the needful, and the TMOD can be placed by, the photo and all that can be done by one of you. If she shares it in the XCOM group. So you've done almost this. Okay. Now this, what you have to do now. So suppose you have a link here. Suppose you want to put in the last very important thing is, suppose you want to put in a link saying, click here to join. I'm going to change this color to white or yellow. And I'll say, okay, click here to join. Okay. Now what am I going to do? This thing. Now this thing, I'm going to link it. Okay. Link it with your, what is the link that Shiva sent me today? Yeah, this is the link that he sent me today. I'm just going to come here into Canva, into my thing, and give the link here and say apply. Okay, so the link is here. The meeting ID and the passcode is here. All I have to do now is I need to download it. How do I download it? I will download it as a PDF. Why? Because I need to activate this link. Okay, so I'll just say download as a PDF. It gets downloaded wherever into your personal thing. Now, when I open this is the flyer. Can you see this? I can actually click here
Yes.
to join. Now, I just want this to be not a PDF. I want it to be a, this thing, what is it called? A picture.
Word.
Yeah, a picture.
Okay.
Okay. So what I will do, see, you can directly publish it to your Facebook also. Okay, but you have to connect your Facebook page in here, right? So I'm already logged in. Okay, so I continue as this thing, and then I will select, I have so many pages which I have made. So I will select which page I want to put it on, right? So if you are the page admin, all of you take admin. So whoever creates can actually put it directly there. Done. So you don't even have to think twice. Or I can also download, share link, whatever. So now I'm going to download it as a PNG. Okay. PNG is a high quality picture. And my image is ready.
Wow.
It looks good with the colors. It's fun.
It looks brilliant.
And in 10 minutes, Anita could make the poster. And guys, we need
Wonderful.
to.
Wonderful. Thanks a lot.
Actually,
This
yes.
template can be saved and you can use it with the differences. No, this is the best thing to do.
Yeah. So now repeat. I'll just tell you. You need a header or a matched head, which can be constant. You don't have to change. Just change the colors. How do you change the colors? Click on this. Go here and change the colors. Okay, whichever color you want. Right now, keep the body the same. I don't want this color. I change the color. Okay. Once again, on the body here, in here, I change the color. Right, a new one is done. Now, after you finish this kind of practice, slowly you can go back to getting your templates. Okay. Now, I can have a new template, let's say like this. Okay. Here, you can actually drop in your different kinds of pictures. Let's say I have Toastmasters. I just drop in those Toastmasters pictures here. Okay. I just drop in. These are my speakers. So what are these? These are your elements. You just have to type frames. Okay. And then you get these elements. Put these elements here. Go to your uploads. Bring in your particular, and drop them there. Yeah. And so you can use this as it is. But this is the next step. And there's no end to it. You have like so many kinds. You just have to bring in there. Okay. And keep changing. Later, someday, if you call me, I'll show you how to put in a video over there, because videos reach faster.
Okay.
Okay. And then you have to download it as an MP4, right? Where you can actually be talking. You can be talking, put your own, your own video over here. Yeah, I have some videos here. Okay. So I have this GIF. Okay. This keeps moving. Or you can have, I have Vaishali's thing here.
Building a social media presence.
So just can just
Are
come
you
in there.
wondering?
And then what do? I just publish it directly. Okay. Or I download it as an MP4. Okay. Once I download it as an MP4, it's downloading. It's just taking a couple of minutes. So once you download it, you can send it as an MP4, or you can put it on your, on your Facebook page. So that I'll put it as soon as the downloading is done. Is that clear?
Yes.
Yeah. I'm
Yes,
sorry,
clear.
but this is the beauty of Canva. This is the beauty of Canva. I create everything there. And once you have your XCOM template, when you're leaving the club, you just have to give the template to your guy. You just have to change the pictures, change the color. That's it. Don't have to start from scratch at all. So create one template, let them play with that for some time, and then sky's the limit. Right? Okay. Keep it very crisp. Don't clutter. Don't overpopulate your templates. It should be clear. See, what do you look for when you want to see a flyer? I look for time. First and foremost, date and time. That's very, very vital. Just don't keep it somewhere down there and big Toastmaster logo, but somewhere date is, sitting inside down there. So all these are very, very vital things. Don't hide them. And I want to know who the TMO is. So over to you, Toastmaster of the day, Toastmaster Rahil. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you, TM Anita Naju.
Thank you so much, Anita.
Very, very informative and very creative.
We would be calling you again a couple of times. Okay, this is just the basic.
You will be invited.